If you're keen in developing applications for iPhone, iPad, then you need to have knowledge of three things. First is programming logic, another is programming language. So, language and logics, a language like Swift, and the third is you should know how to use development environment, that is Xcode. Let me explain you each point in detail. Starting with a logic. Logic is the most important thing to develop any software program. All applications involve logic. Logic means an idea to get the work done. And if you want to program, then you must grasp the logics very well. Then comes the programming language. Since we are going to write a program for these devices, we have to learn the language used by these devices. It's like talking to someone whose mother tongue is different than that of yours. So you have to learn the language understood by that device. Swift is a new programming language which can be used to talk to devices like iPhone, iPad, watch kits, and TVs. Swift is a modern TypeScript programming language and adds modern features to make programming easier, flexible, and fun. And above all, it's very simple to learn. So now you know what is logic and language, but then question arises how to write a program in computer. So here comes in picture a development environment, that is Xcode. Development environment is a set of programs or tools which helps us in writing the program. Not only writing the program, but the program need to be compiled, debugged, tested, and it needs to run on simulators. So all these things can be easily done with the help of Xcode. Xcode, currently in version 7.2, is the latest development environment provided by Apple to develop applications for Apple TV, Apple Watch, iPhone, iPad, and even Mac OS. Xcode has matured a lot and it really provides a lot of functionality to develop apps. I feel more than 50% of the work is done by the interface builder inside Xcode to design the visual interface of an application just by dragging and dropping controls on the screen. It's literally a child's play designing screens with Xcode. Xcode also includes program libraries made by Apple that help in developing applications. These libraries are also called as frameworks, or even better, software development kits, SDKs, or you can use the term iOS SDK. So in this course, you learn about Swift programming language for iOS along with the program logic development. You will also learn how to use Xcode and develop apps for iOS 9.2 using the iOS SDK. You learn about various pre-built objects, also called as controls, which are available in iOS SDK. You learn all the above things with small code snippets to understand how to use each object and develop confidence in developing apps. This is a fresher series, so I have tried to keep each program to be very short so that it's easy for you to understand and create applications. I've tried to cover each and everything that is available in Swift and iOS SDK with small sample codes and have explained each and everything before using them in apps.